Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So what we got going on here is YouTube is flooded with DCT oil change videos for the 2018 plus GL1800 Gold Wing Tour. So as you guys know, I have a 6-speed GL1800. Love it, amazing bike, and we're going to give it its first oil change. So let's get into this. So you can see 994 miles are on the bike. Tried to do this at 600 miles, but the two Honda dealers I called had a 3 to 4 month long wait list. And you know, to be honest with you guys, it's far less expensive for me to do this myself. All right, so what we got going on here is obviously the bike is up on the center stand. You guys can see that. And it's on a level surface. No big deal. You can see it's our bike on Down the Road Productions and burning down the road. So here's what I found out. You have to wait till about 10,000 miles on the Gold Wing before you switch to synthetic. So I'm just going with the regular oil for this oil change. And I've got a measuring cup here, right here. So I'll need to pour 95 milliliters out of one of those bottles into this, and then just put all 4 bottles in after I drain the oil. And of course, here we've got the washer for the nut that comes out to drain the oil. There's only one. This is not like changing oil in a DCT bike. There's no clutch filter to change. Goes a lot quicker. And over here is our Honda oil filter, ready to go in once I get the other one off. And you can see here in the owner's manual the differences between the DCT oil change and the manual oil change. So this is a GL1800B. And the other part for this oil change is that we're going to take this bike up to the Upper Peninsula this weekend too. So moving forth. All right, what you'll see here is my flat plastic tray oil pan that will slide up underneath once we get that nut undone right there to drain the oil. So let's do that. Easy stuff. I'm unscrewing it right now, and I can do the rest by hand. So I'll just pop this off, move this up underneath. I don't know why this freaking light won't stay on, but here we go. And I'm going to move it over just a bit more. There you go. Here comes that oil. Here it comes. It better come. And there it is. I got all over my hand, but there's that oil draining out. As again, you can see we're up on the center stand. So we'll let that process take place here before we get to the oil filter. Supervision. Piper, give him a surgery update. Oh, there she goes. Piper, go easy on that leg. It costs a lot of money. It costs a lot of money. Here, Piper, come here. Oh, Piper, you're here to supervise. Here. Come here, Piper. You got kisses for Daddy? Oh, there goes Piper. Oh, there's that leg. Oh, the surgery dog has gone by. Oh, there's the rocket. Hey, Piper, come check out the rocket. Oh, there's Piper. Okay. Guys, I love Piper. And, of course, that rocket's right there, too. She's back from a moto camping. Hi, Piper. So this is interesting. I don't know why they make you replace the crush ring. This crush ring looks fine. I'll still replace it with this new one that's right there. Alright, what you see here is that oil filter is going to come off now as this drips away. So let's say goodbye to the oil filter. Oh, here it comes. Only took a second. I expect a mess. Get that off. I'm just going to screw it. I expect another handful of oil again. Ready? Oh boy, I'm not ready. I haven't changed oil since I was in my 20s or 30s. Here comes all that oil all over my hand. Piper, this is your fault. Oh boy. There it goes. Alrighty, you can see that old oil filter's off. And let me separate the filter from that filter wrench, and we'll continue forth. So hilarious, that oil filter wrench is kind of stuck on the old oil filter, but I'll work it off. You know, Murphy's Law, man, at On Down the Road Productions. Gonna laugh my butt off, but I can get them separated. Hey, since I'm down here on the floor and we're doing this oil change, check this out. It's just like the Rocket. There you go. So now we know where Triumph got it from. Both bikes have a drive shaft, and there you go. There you go. So that could almost be the rear wheel on the Rocket 3 GT. So incidentally, I'm looking forward to putting wider rubber on this bike when these tires get replaced, if I can do that and not screw nothing up. So watching all this drip out of the engine until I put the new oil filter on and put that drain plug back in, I'm really happy I didn't have to do the clutch filter or deal with a couple different drain plugs. So this is obviously another advantage to buying a 6-speed Gold Wing. Alright, so a few taps of the hammer and that came right off. So I call that a miracle. Time for a funny story, right, Piper? This ratchet that kind of flexes here, I had a Mercury Marauder. I've actually owned 3 Mercury Marauders. I love that car. What a car. But, long story short, there was a recall. And I took the Mercury Marauder to the recall. And I drove the car all the way home after they kept it for a day. And this was left underneath the car in the hood. And I kind of kept it. I was so pissed off. I think that mechanic is probably still looking for this tool to this day. But, you know, you take your car into a dealer and they leave tools under the hood. Bunch of bozos. But that's how I got this, and I like it. It worked out great for the Gold Wing, let me tell you. Okay, the next part here of this 6-speed manual GL1800 Gold Wing Tour oil change is to remove 95 milliliters from one of the quart bottles. The bike holds 3.9 quarts of oil with an oil change. So I'm going to do that, and I've got an old measuring cup, and I'll fill it up to not to 100 here, but below that a tiny bit. And then I'll pour what's remaining in that bottle and the other 3 bottles into the bike after the new oil filter's on and the oil drain plug is secure. Okay, so here we go. We're going to open this up. And oh boy. All right, we got that opened. And you're going to see right here, 100, we want 95 milliliters, so it's going to stop right about there. So here we go. You guys can be my next set of eyes, and I have to leave that flat. So here we go. It's getting close. There you go. So there's 95 milliliters, or 1/10 of a quart, out of this bottle that I'll pour back into an empty bottle when I'm done pouring oil into the crankcase. And so 3 full quarts, 1/9 of a quart, and we're good here on this part of the step. Dripping away right there. There it is, dripping away. Alright, so from the oil plug, it's still dripping oil, but there's no oil dripping from where we put the new oil filter. So I'm going to put the new oil filter on now. And of course you need to do this, right, around the seal. Oops. Oh well. I bet you guys find that exciting. So we did that. Alright, and time to get this oil filter on. Alrighty, time to get the, oh, well, that's magnetized right there. Just doing it by hand right now. Alright, I'll break out a wrench. Right there, the new oil filter's in. And just snug it. You don't want to crank it on there too tight. That should do it. Alright. Right up in there. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Okay, so still dripping away, and I did check with the Honda service department. It is fine to change your oil on the center stand. The owner's manual calls for the bike to be perfectly level on the ground. But you can see here on the manual, this is up here in the corner. So still going to wait this out. And I was able to also detail this, wipe up my chrome with Meguiar's, which is a great product. You don't have to spend a lot of money, but Meguiar's is what you want. So gonna wait this out a bit longer. Alright, so the oil dripping is done, and I just need to hand tighten that oil drain plug and then tighten it up. Should only take a minute or two. Okay, so I am not using a torque wrench, but this just needs to be snug, and we're going to snug it up right now. That's it. It's snug, so now we can add the oil to the bike. I waited over an hour for that to stop dripping too. So the first official oil change continues. Okay, we're pouring in our first quart of oil. Hey guys, well that's it. We changed the oil for the first time on our manual transmission GL1800. Longest part was waiting for all that oil to drip out from the drain plug hole, kind of like Washington DC. But Piper thanks you. She was a great supervisor, weren't you? Well, weren't you a good supervisor? And hope you guys enjoyed this, right? Really enjoy this bike. Just a little side note, I went to the 2021 Indian demo days, and nothing compares to this that they had there. I even feel better about owning this 2018 Gold Wing that has like 985 miles on it right now, to be many more this weekend. But keep burning down the road. If you get knocked down, get back up, keep pushing through, just like we pushed through this oil change. Believe it or not, I had questions the dealer helped me with, and we'll see everybody next episode on Down the Road. Salute.